Possibly the weirdest and easiest Facebook interaction I've ever had in my life. Pull up into this trailer park. Trailer next to him burnt down from somebody cooking meth. We unload the bike, we start it, it just idles. Didn't take it for a test ride, didn't ask any questions, didn't try to barter or anything. Then he just said, here's your money. So I was like, oh, cool, thanks. Got him the title, wrote him a bill of sale, and that was it. It was just like a 10-minute drop and run. It was easy enough. I'm just hoping some of the money he gave me wasn't counterfeit or something.